This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Claudia Schwab. Very low HOA fees in this beautiful and quiet Greenbrook Bend neighborhood. Welcome to this cozy home, which offers an open floor plan, tiles throughout the whole house, very light and bright, great view from lanai over the lake. The home is zoned for highly rated schools in Lakewood Ranch. It's close enough to ride the bike there and right around the corner from Greenbrook Adventure Park with playground, dog park, and you can enjoy nice walks on the nature trails. The home has 3 good-sized bedrooms. Owner retreat has a large bathroom with shower and bathtub as well as walk-in closet. The large kitchen has ample cabinets space and brand new appliances and a spacious kitchen nook. There is a good-sized yard which could be fenced in. New roof to come soon too. Easy access to shopping, close to UTC Mall and Benderson Park as well as I-75. Lakewood Ranch offers a variety of restaurants and shops and lots of events throughout the year in different locations, like Main Street every first Friday, music on Main, and fun volleyball and cornhole tournaments. Professional pictures coming soon. Home is listed for rent too. For more information, review the details below or contact Claudia Schwab at 954-693-01.